You hold the key to unlock any door. You hold the key forevermore. You can never lose it, and only you can use it. You hold the key you've been looking for. And of course, our key is our attitude. How we think about things, how we see them, what our beliefs are. I like to think of positive attitude as the FGH formula: forgiveness of the past, gratitude for the present, and hope for the future. Simple concepts, but not always easy to practice. So I remind myself, forgiveness is remembering we were all doing the best we could at the time with the information we had. That person I'm having trouble forgiving, and me. Gratitude, it's so simple but so powerful. We can be grateful for the best memories of our lives, for the last 24 hours, for right now. That next deep breath, that beautiful sunrise, the bird that just flew across the horizon. The gratitude attitude, so powerful. And last but not least, hope. If you had no fear, what would you do? You hold the key to unlock any door. You hold the key forevermore. You can never lose it, and only you can use it. You hold the key you've been looking for. Congratulations.